I literally applied these simple concepts that changed my way of living. Hey, I'm David Gomez from Barcelona, and I applied the Mediterranean cooking style 2 years ago. Literally, I didn't know how to cook an egg. But applying these simple concepts, my cooking just level up. So you need to understand the concept of going Mediterranean. The old people, like 200 years ago, they didn't have supermarkets and they needed to go to the market on Sundays to have all their meals and to have all the ingredients to cook. Going Mediterranean is to adapt to here, outside. What we do is adapt ourselves to what the field can give to our table. Really important the concept of putting what the field can give you to your table. You are the one that needs to adapt to the season that you are on. So, going to the market is really important. You cannot go to the supermarket where all the vegetables are grown in hibernacles and in a way that are not naturally. So going to the market is the first thing that you need to do to go with the Mediterranean diet. Have you understood for the moment?
Hú hồn nghe. Hú bà hồn chín vía nha.
So our meal, our diets will change during the year depending on the season that we are on. Another concept that we did in the past that nowadays we do not apply. We eat a lot of meat. This means that we will need to reduce the meat consumption. The Mediterranean diet, more or less, have a percentage of 20% meat, 80% vegetables. So the meat that we are going to consume during all the week, we are going to put it inside the broth. Later, in the following chapters, I will explain how to do the broth and how to do the protein for all the week meals that you have. So first step, going to the market to buy all your ingredients that you need for the week. Let's go. So we have arrived from the market. These are all the ingredients that we have bought. Now I'm going to put them out for you to visualize the ingredients that I have bought for this week to do the 3 pillars of the Mediterranean diet. As you can see, as we went to the market, all the ingredients are from 20 kilometers far away. I think that is 15 miles if you are from the United States. And also you can see that there is no plastic. So not only we are buying ingredients with low CO2 print, that also there is no plastic at your shopping bag. So we have only bought vegetables, no plastic included. All the ingredients are from 20 kilometers far away from my spot, and they are from the season that we are now. We are in summer, so we are buying the ingredients that the field have given to us. Okay? With all these concepts, we can start the Mediterranean diet. Now, we are going to see how do we cook all these ingredients. We're going to put the ingredients on the table for you to see what I'm going to cook this week, and I'm going to explain you the process of cooking. So we have here the ingredients to do the 2 pillars of the Mediterranean diet. With these 2 pillars, then you can also do the third one, the stew. If you don't know what I am talking about, I have done a video here. You can click here after watching this video to know more about the theory of the 3 pillars of the Mediterranean cuisine. Okay? So here we have. These are the ingredients for the broth. This time it's going to be a vegan broth because normally it goes with chicken and all the meat that you would like to eat during the week. Here we have the ingredients for the stir fry. We have the olive oil and the tomato sauce. This time we have put the tomato sauce, but the best thing to do is to do your tomato sauce yourself. Later in this channel we are going to see how to do the best tomato sauce that it is good even to reduce your cholesterol level. So subscribe to the channel if you are not, and let's go to do the journey together because it is amazing. This will change all your cooking style. And also, all these two pillars, we can do stews with them, as I said. Here we have the lentils, the protein of the week. Also, well, I will eat some eggs and some steak, it is true. But the thing is that it is recommended in the Mediterranean diet to eat 3 times in the week lentils or similar. We have the 2 bases to cook this. We'll see in the following chapters. So now that we have all the ingredients, let's go to start cooking. Because the concept is we buy the ingredients and we cook them the same day or the following day in the morning. Okay, it is still valid. But this is the concept. Buying and cooking as soon as possible. Because we are going to cook all the ingredients without throwing anything. If you put all the ingredients inside your fridge, then there are things that touch behind the fridge and that get frozen. You forget about things that you had there and they cannot be eaten anymore, so it is a mess. I recommend you buying the ingredients and directly after cooking. This is what we are going to do in the following chapters, so subscribe to the channel if you are interested in the Mediterranean diet because now the journey begins.